Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another entrepreneur life video. Today we are going to be packaging orders again because we got some orders that have come in. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. And if you're new here, my name is Yalon. I am the CEO and founder of Lavish Curls Beauty, a all-natural hair care business. My brand has 3 collections, one for hair growth, one for moisture retention, and another one for scalp psoriasis. So you are sure to find something on my website that is always linked in the description box for your hair to help your hair out. So let's get into it. Today is Wednesday. And I posted the video on Monday of me packaging orders, and since then I've gotten more orders in, so we're gonna go ahead and package up the rest of what I've gotten in Monday, Tuesday, and today, and then we'll ship those out. And then whatever we get for the rest of today and Thursday and then Friday, I'll package those. So you guys should be getting maybe 3 packaging orders type videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's hop into it. Today I actually made more psoriasis face and body oil. I also made more styling gel, and then I also filled some scalp psoriasis shampoo bottles because I knew I was going to need those for today's orders. So I already got that knocked out. Alright guys, so first order is a psoriasis face and body oil and a scalp psoriasis treatment. Oh my god, y'all. I remember Monday I told you guys I need to go get more of my boxes. I did not get more of my boxes. I have the bigger ones here. It might work out. We're gonna have to see. Oh my god, I knew I was forgetting something. Okay, so when I leave the house today, I need to get more boxes. But anyways, this is the psoriasis face and body oil. This is so good. So you can use it on your face or you can use it on your body, or both, of course. This has calendula flowers in it, so it's really good for helping to heal up your psoriasis flare-up, clear it up, reduce flare-ups. All natural ingredients. It has neem oil in here, sweet almond oil, tea tree, lavender, lemongrass, all things that are going to be helpful for your psoriasis flare-up on your body. Also, you can use this on your scalp if you want to, but like I said, I have a scalp psoriasis treatment too. So I'm going to go ahead and put the label on really quick. Okay, so psoriasis face and body label is on. So pretty. And then the scalp psoriasis treatment. For this one, I am going to be using just a bubble mailer and then wrapping it with bubble wrap. So this is the 6x10 as usual. And if you guys didn't see my other video, I get the bubble mailers off of Amazon, and then this bubble wrap that I'm using, I get it from Office Depot. My labels I get made from You Printing. You can have them shipped to your house, or if you're somewhere that has a pickup location, I go to the West LA location to pick up, so sometimes there is the pickup offer on this, so look into it. My tape and tape dispenser is always from Office Depot. I always buy like the 6-pack of the heavy duty tape. I forgot, I never tell you guys what kind of tape it is. I always get the heavy duty shipping tape because it's like thicker. It works better on boxes, so I just get it from there. Thank you cards are always from, I have to cover the discount code. Thank you cards are always from Staples. I actually designed the thank you card on Canva. So this order is for James Myers. Shout out to him for ordering my products. And men and women do order my products, because I had questions before like, can men use your products? Yes, y'all can. The products are for both, so both the oils fit in there perfectly. And then I always use fragile stickers on my stuff as well. And my fragile stickers, you can get like a roll of 500 for like under $5. That's on Amazon as well. Alright, first order complete. Okay, so next order is a psoriasis body butter, a scalp psoriasis deep conditioner, and a scalp psoriasis treatment. So this is the psoriasis body butter. This is perfect if you're more of a person that likes body butters on your body, instead of like the face and body oil that I offer. Or you can use the body oil and the body butter together. But the body butter is really nice. It feels so good. It's a nice creamy buttery consistency. Feels so good on those psoriasis flare-ups. I actually like to use this one on my face. Makes a really good moisturizer, helps to clear up your skin, calm flare-ups, all that good stuff. So super bomb. And then the scalp psoriasis deep conditioner works in just 30 minutes, infuses your hair with so much moisture, makes your scalp feel nice and calm, has great detangling and slip. So bomb product, and it also promotes hair growth. So this box, I believe, is the 8x8x4.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya.
Okay, so shout out to Lovely Tibbs. That was the customer name for that order. Okay, so next order is a scalp psoriasis treatment and a psoriasis face and body oil. And shout out to, I believe it's pronounced Marioso, for purchasing.
Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay guys, next order is the aloe and fenugreek leave-in growth spreads. Perfect for refreshing your curls, making your scalp feel nice and hydrated. This promotes faster hair growth as well. You spray it directly to your scalp, and then on wash day you apply it from roots to ends, and then every other day you apply it just to your roots, and it's going to promote faster hair growth for you. And you can use it when you have braids in your hair. Perfect for braids. You can basically use it as a braid spray. Love this product so much. It has aloe vera juice, fenugreek in it, which promotes faster hair growth, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, lavender oil, nettle, and burdock, which are also good for hair loss and thinning. So super bomb products. A lot of my customers love this. So the aloe and fenugreek, and they ordered 2 psoriasis body butters. These labels are slightly different because I officially ran out of the old ones. Well, I have still just one more of the old one, but I don't want to give her a new label and an old label. So I was like, let me just give her both of the new labels. So. Okay, shout out to Shay for ordering. Okay, next order is just a scalp psoriasis shampoo. Shout out to Amanda for ordering. So the scalp psoriasis shampoo is sulfate free, perfect for cleansing your hair to remove buildup, but without stripping your hair of its natural oils. It is made with African black soap, which is good for repairing your hair and nice and cleansing. It does have aloe vera juice in it as well, so that the African black soap doesn't overpower it and make it too cleansing or drying. So the aloe vera juice helps give it that balance, because African black soap is like notorious for being drying, but the balance of aloe vera juice in it really helps it out so that it's not stripping to your hair. There is also neem oil in here, which really helps with the flare-ups on your scalp. Tea tree oil, peppermint oil, lavender oil, and lemongrass. So boom. I feel like I keep saying so. Boom. So next order is a styling gel, a hair growth leave-in conditioner, and an aloe and fenugreek leave-in growth spritz. So I already talked to you guys about the aloe and fenugreek, and so they also have the hair growth leave-in, which is super bomb out of the hair growth collection. It's a nice lightweight leave-in, and not only does it make your hair look and feel good, it's going to help with hair growth and repairing your hair and keeping it nice and healthy as well. And this feels so good, like it's moisturizing, it helps with detangling. So some of the ingredients in here as well is aloe vera juice, honey, so that humectant to help keep the moisture in your hair, nettle powder, fenugreek, burdock, so like all my favorite little hair growth powders are in here, mango butter, castor oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, and rosemary. So the goat right here, and it pairs good with the styler, so hence why this customer got the hair growth leave-in plus the styling gel. So this is the styling gel, and this is more of a thicker styler from Lavish Curls, so it's basically a gel. I recommend this for your wash and goes, and yeah, it's just a thicker styling gel. This also has key ingredients of aloe vera juice, argan oil, and olive oil. So it helps with that shine, it helps with that definition, and it's not a drying gel. So just those three. And actually, I think I'm gonna make this a reel, so I'll be back because I need that content. Okay, y'all, so I just finished up that little reel, and shout out to Dominique for her order. Okay, y'all, last order, and then I can eat and go drop off these orders. So last order is a scalp psoriasis shampoo. Shout out to Trana, I believe it's pronounced Trana, from Virginia Beach.
Take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
Okay guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's Entrepreneur Life video. If you are interested in purchasing from Lavish Curls Beauty, if you spend $75 or more, you do get free shipping on your order. Also, if you're spending $50 or more, you have the option of using Shop Pay and breaking your payments down into 4 if you want to. Also, if you are a person purchasing for the first time, you can sign up for the SMS list or the email list to save 20% off of your first purchase. And plus, every time you shop with us, you do get a discount code, so every time you shop with Lavish Curls, you'll basically save some money. So what's not to love about that? Make sure you are following Lavish Curls Beauty on TikTok, on Instagram, because that's mainly where we at. And yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out Lavish Curls Beauty, link in the description box. Bye, guys.
I wanna all night. Say it.